Yoon, Yang. Been a hot minute since I've seen either of you. But don't worry. I'm doing just fine all on my own. The name's Jamie Sho. This town's got all sorts of people looking to stir up trouble. And you could say I'm something of a peacekeeper.
Ah, hey dude.
Some people are out here trying to cause problems, while others just want to prove how bad they are. But these are my streets, and I'm ready to knock some fools down a peg or three. It's all about nipping problems in the bud, you know? That's just the game, and a player's gotta play.
USA.
The top player is here.
Time to play.
Round one. Fight.
Here we go.
Of course I'd win.
Round two. Fight. Jamie wins! USA.
The top player is here.
You call, I answer.
Round one. Fight.
Toast to our winner. Take a swing.
Round two. Fight.
Party time. Reset. Here I come.
Don't fall in yet.
USA.
The top player is here. Bring the heat.
Round one. Fight.
We're all feeling it.
Round two. Fight. Jamie wins! USA. Make it a scrap heap. Fight! China.
The top player is here.
Time to erase you.
Round one. Fight!
Don't disappoint me.
Right in my masterwork.
Of course I'd win.
Round two. Fight!
There you go.
I wouldn't do it if I were you.
gets got. This is my time.
The deed is done, master.
Final round. Fight! Aki wins! Nine!
Alright! Now it's time to turn up the heat!
Round one. Fight!
In my world, we're all feeling it.
Round two. Fight!
There you go! Come on, it's time to train.
Jamie wins! Nice shot.
The top player is here. Simple and clean.
Round one. Fight!
No way. Slow. You're mine. Loser. In my world, we're all human.
Round two. Fight.
Rising tackle! You're good. I'll give you that.
Final round. Fight.
Power charge!
Jamie wins. USA. Bury the ball. Fight. One. Two. 4, 5. 6. 7, 9. 10. Good. Nice shot.
Top player is here.
An honor to be sure.
Round 1. Fight.
You'll excuse me. Away.
Don't disappoint me. Don't disappoint me. In my world, we're all
Round 2. Fight.
Away. Go.
There you go.
Away. It's all behind. Here.
here. I'm number one.
Round one. Fight.
In my world, we're all feeling it.
Round two. Fight.
Where you going?
Jamie wins! Russia.
The top player is here. I'll take on all of you.
Round one. Fight.
Is that all you got? I am Almighty! Ha! Look at this body!
Round two. Fight.
The sweet spot!
Zongia wins! 9.
Alright! Now it's time to turn up the heat!
Round one. Fight.
This will hurt! In my world, we're all feeling it.
Round two. Fight. USA.
Not to sound too full of myself, but I'm damn strong. How'd I get that way? Wouldn't you like to know? That's just how I roll. But don't get it twisted. I don't try to go around making a show of it or nothing. I'm not some kid looking to be the king of the jungle gym. All I want to do is protect this city, just like my bros. Sometimes. Whoops. Huh?
You bumped into me on purpose, didn't you?
The hell's your problem, man?
Well, you looking to start something? The top player is here. Let me have some fun.
Round 1. Fight.
Don't go regretting this.
What do you think you're talking?
No escape. I'm loving this!
You're basic. There you go.
Let's go!
Round 2. Fight.
Give me a foot! I gotcha! You're not done yet, are you?
Luke wins. 9.
Alright. Now it's time to turn up the heat.
Round 1.
Don't go regretting this!
What do you think you're talking to? Toast to my win. Take a swing.
Round 2. Fight.
Gotcha! Fighting uppercut! I'm loving this! Gotcha!
That's right. You just can't compete.
Jamie wins.
Sometimes. Every now and then, I'll run into someone who makes me forget all about the city. someone I feel like I can't afford to lose to, no matter what. And just like when I was busting my buns to rule the back streets, my blood starts to boil. If my bros caught wind of this, they'd never let me hear the end of it.
What do you even mean, these are my streets? Come on. No matter how you cut it, from about this street on, the city's mine!
Say what? A scrub like you can only strut around here acting hard because Jamie Show's keeping you safe, you know?